Hi, this is Dara coming to you from Tidal Brewhouse here in the Market Common District. Come out and find us at 3421 Knowles Street. All right, here at Tidal Creek, we actually offer 4 different menus to choose from. We have breakfast that starts at 7 a.m., lunch that starts at 11, and dinner that starts at 3. And on the weekends, Saturdays and Sundays, join us for brunch beginning at 7 a.m. Okay, and here at Tidal Creek, we are family friendly, so make sure to bring your little ones along with you to enjoy a special day with us. So not only are we family friendly, but we are also dog friendly, so be sure to bring your 4-legged friends along to enjoy the dog run. Okay, here at Tidal Creek, we offer so much outdoor seating that everyone can be comfortable. You could sit in any of our patios around the building, as well as the tap room inside, or look at this beautiful beer garden. Come and hang out with us, bring the kids, run around, play, bring a football, soccer ball, whatever you want. Just come and hang out with us and have some fun.
Hey, I'm Patrick Gibson. I'm the brewmaster here at Tidal Creek Brewhouse. I've been here since we opened back in June of 2020, so we're coming up on our 2nd year anniversary, and it's been a wild ride.
And how many beers do you brew?
We brew so many beers. I was just looking at our recipe set, and we're over 100 now recipes, and we've released, I think, 95 different beers out of the Brewhouse in 2 years.
And what's your favorite beer?
I'm actually brewing it right now. It's Liberatore, our Italian-style pils. It's really, really light, crispy, dry, fairly strong at about 6.5%, and it's very, very hoppy for a Pilsner, but in a smooth way. It's kind of floral and aromatic and just has a really nice hop character all the way through.
Thanks for letting us come check out the brewery.
Thanks. Come back.